Hey, it's Bay, and I got a mousepad for Black Friday. Just a mousepad? Yup. Well, kind of. I also got a portable external monitor that was on sale on Amazon, but I bought it on Saturday, so it technically doesn't count. If you want me to make a video of it though, make sure to leave a comment. I wasn't planning on making this kind of video, but I thought it would be fun. Anyways, I got the Corsair MM300 mouse mat, and I bought it at Target. It retails for $30, but I got it for $15, which is 50% off. Duh. It was the last one there, so I had to buy it. I've wanted a mouse mat for a while, but I haven't gone around to buying one. There's actually one that I really wanted on the Kono store called the Novel Keys desk mat, but the color I wanted is sold out at the moment. Anyways, this one is pretty cool and I like it for the price I got it for. Excuse the dirty desk, by the way. But this is how I set it up. I have a little table thing to elevate my laptop, and the legs of it haven't left marks on the mousepad yet so far, which is great. It has a rubber bottom so it doesn't slip, a stitched edge guard so that it doesn't fray, and a textile weave surface as they're calling it for more precise and smoother tracking. Sure, it's just a mousepad, but this thing improves your experience sitting in front of a computer a lot. The extra space gives your wrist a softer surface to rest on, especially if you have a 10 keyless keyboard. It looks pretty cool, but I don't like that they slapped their logo on the bottom right of the mousepad. Oh well. It's very high quality and definitely worth the price. I highly recommend it, and I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. That's pretty much it. Just a quick little video of what I got on Black Friday this year. Just a mousepad. Let me know what you got for Black Friday this year. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Also, visit my social media links in the description and follow me there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.